In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your chart of accounts into Xero. Whether you're setting up your accounts for a new business venture or simply migrating data into Xero, this process is straightforward and will save you valuable time that you can dedicate to more pressing matters in your business. First, you'll need to prepare a CSV file containing your chart of accounts, which is essential for a smooth import into Xero. If you're wondering what the CSV file should look like, make sure it's structured properly. Each column should represent a specific category, such as account name, account type, and code, among others. Many find it helpful to download a sample template directly from Xero to ensure everything aligns correctly. Once your CSV is ready and double-checked for any errors, we can move on to the next step. Now that your file is prepared, let's head over to Xero. Begin by clicking on the Accounting tab located on the top navigation bar of your Xero dashboard. This section is your go-to hub for all financial configurations and management tasks in Xero. Next, select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all the existing accounts in your system. It allows you to review what's currently recorded and prepare for the import. Once you are on the Chart of Accounts page, look for the Import button, which is usually located in a prominent position on the page. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new window where you'll have the option to upload your CSV file. Simply drag and drop your prepared file into the window, or use the browsing option to locate it on your computer. A little tip here is to ensure your file name is simple and easily identifiable to avoid any upload confusion. Before finalizing your import, Xero will prompt you with a question. It will ask whether your CSV file contains account balances or not. It's important to answer this accurately, as it will inform Xero how to properly integrate your data. If you included balances in your CSV, Xero will incorporate these into your accounts. If not, it will only add the account names and details without any starting figures. Once you've clarified whether your file contains balances, you're ready to proceed. Click on the Import button. Xero will now process the file, and in a few moments, your chart of accounts should be successfully imported into the system. And just like that, you're done. That's all there is to it. You've successfully imported your chart of accounts into Xero. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to double-check your CSV file for format errors or reach out to Xero support for additional assistance. By following these steps, you can ensure an efficient start to managing your finances with Xero.